Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Today we're diving into the 3 long vowels in Arabic. Unlike short vowels, long vowels are actual letters that stretch the sound of the consonant before them. Let's go through each one with familiar examples. The 3 long vowels are 1. Alif. It gives a long A sound, like in bab, meaning door. In English, think of the A in lab. They're similar, both having that open and extended sound. 2. Wow. It gives a long U sound or U sound, like in noor, meaning light. In English, think of the U in moon. 3. Yeah, it gives a long E sound, like in kabir, meaning big. In English, think of the E in B. Long vowels versus regular consonants. Now here's something important. Sometimes alif, waw, and ya act as long vowels, but other times they function as regular consonants. So how can we tell the difference? Let's take the word mawjood as an example. The first waw is a regular consonant because it comes after a fatha on mim. Since fatha creates a short a sound, this waw is just part of the word's consonantal structure. The second waw is a long vowel because it comes after a dhammah on jim. When a dhammah appears before waw, it signals that the waw is part of the long vowel system, stretching the sound into ju, as in mawjood. How to recognize a long vowel. To determine whether alif, waw, or ya is acting as a long vowel or just a regular letter, check the short vowel on the letter before it. Fatha before alif, dhammah before waw, kasrah before ya. So next time you see alif, waw, or ya, check these 2 things. 1. The short vowel before it, that'll tell you whether it's acting as a long vowel or just a regular consonant. 2. The letter itself. You'll either see sukoon on top of it or no mark at all. This confirms it's a long vowel. If either of these 2 conditions is not met, meaning if the short vowels before it is not the expected one, or the letter itself has one of the 3 short vowels, it won't be a long vowel, and instead it'll act as a regular consonant. Take the word bait as an example. Bait does have sukoon on ya, but the short vowel before it isn't kasrah, it's fatha. That's why it acts as a regular consonant instead of a long vowel. So it's bait and not beat. Mastering this rule will make reading and pronouncing Arabic much easier.